Now, I just discovered this insane new niche blowing up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. AI-generated construction videos created entirely from scratch with a satisfying time-lapse effect. And the numbers this niche is pulling in, honestly, they're absolutely wild. These AI construction videos are racking up millions of views. Check this out. This one has 31 million views, this one has 7 million, and this one has over 3 million views, which means the creators are likely making a serious amount of money from YouTube ad revenue. For context, YouTube usually pays around 10 cents per 1,000 views on shorts. So if you hit 100 million views, that could equal around $10,000 in ad revenue. Take this YouTube channel as an example. They started posting just 2 weeks ago, and in that short time, they've already pulled in over 55 million views and more than 78,000 subscribers. Crazy, right? Every single video on this channel is fully AI generated. Now, even if we estimate an RPM of just 20 cents per 1,000 views, so 55 million views would have made roughly $11,000, which is absolutely insane. But here's the catch. Creating these videos isn't exactly simple. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these AI construction videos completely from scratch. And to make it even easier, I've prepared a free Notion document. You'll find the link in the description where I'm sharing all the prompts and AI tools I'll be using to make these videos. So before we dive into the tutorial, let's take a quick look at what we're going to create in this video.
They finished the landscaping just in time. Looks really nice.
It does.
Now, the very first step in this process is choosing a chatbot. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using ChatGPT, but you can use any chatbot you're comfortable with. Once you've chosen your chatbot, you'll need access to the Notion template that contains all of the prompts. You'll find the link to that Notion document in the description. Once you're inside the Notion document, copy the full master prompt. Make sure you copy everything, then go back to ChatGPT and paste that prompt directly into the chat. Once you send it, you've basically turned ChatGPT into a full prompting system. After that, all you need to do is type start and hit enter. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT will automatically generate a list of video ideas for your channel. Over here, it asks you to reply with a number. Each number represents a different video idea. Take a moment to read through them and pick the one you like. For this example, I'm going to choose this one right here. So all I have to do is type the number of the idea and send it. Once I do that, ChatGPT will instantly generate all the prompts we need. As you can see, everything is broken down step by step. Step 1 is the project definition. Step 2 contains the image prompts. Image 1, Image 2, Image 3, Image 4, and Image 5. Then Step 3 includes the video generation prompts, specifically designed to turn each image into a smooth construction time-lapse video. And just like that, you now have everything you need. You have all the image prompts, and you also have all the video prompts. All that's left to do now is generate them. So here's how we do that. Go back to the Notion document and click on Higgsfield. You'll also find the Higgsfield link in the description. In my opinion, Higgsfield is one of the best and cheapest tools for creating AI images and videos, which is why I personally use it and recommend it. Click on the link, create an account if you don't already have one, and once you're inside, this is what the interface should look like. At the top, you'll see two main options, image and video. For this tutorial, we'll be using both. Let's start by creating the images. Click on Image, then click Create Image. This is the most important part of the tutorial, so make sure you follow closely. Go back to ChatGPT and scroll up to Image 1. Copy the entire image 1 prompt. Now, go back to Higgsfield and paste that prompt into the chat box. Next, change the model. Click on the model selector and choose Nano Banana Pro. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For quality, select 2K. You can choose 4K if you want, but 2K is more than enough. For image count, keep it at 1 so you don't waste credits. Once that's done, click Generate. In a few seconds, Higgsfield will generate the first image for your video. When the image is ready, click on it, zoom in, and make sure you're happy with the result. If it looks good, download it. Now, drag that downloaded image into the chat box to add it as a reference image. Once the image is added as a reference, delete the old prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the image 2 prompt. Paste it into Higgsfield and click Generate again. You'll notice something really important here. The image stays exactly the same, but the construction progresses. That's the power of this prompt system. Once the second image is ready, download it. Delete the old reference image, then upload this new image as the reference instead. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the image 3 prompt, paste it into Higgsfield, and generate again. You're going to repeat this exact process for image 4 and image 5. Every time you delete the old reference image, upload the newest one, paste the next prompt, and generate. This keeps everything consistent. The same angle, the same structure, just more construction progress each time. Once all the images are done, it's time to generate the videos. Go to the top left and click on Video, then select Create Video. Ignore any old videos here. Those are just test clips. Now, we need to set up the video settings. First, change the model and select Google VO 3.1. Next, choose your quality. I'm going with 2K, but you can choose 4K if you want. For aspect ratio, choose 9:16 if you're making shorts, or 16:9 if you're making long-form videos. For this tutorial, I'm choosing 16:9. Then, set the duration to 8 seconds. Now, this is the most important part for keeping consistency. Under Start Frame, upload the first image you generated. Under End Frame, upload the second image. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video 1 prompt. Paste that prompt into Higgsfield. Make sure Enhance is turned off. This is very important because the prompt is already optimized. Once everything is set, click Generate. The video will take about 2 to 5 minutes to generate. While it's generating, delete the prompt and reference images. Now, for the next video, the start frame will be the previous end frame, and the end frame will be the next image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video 2 prompt, paste it, and generate again. Repeat this exact process for video 3, video 4, and so on until all videos are generated. Once Higgsfield finishes, you'll have all your video clips ready. You can click on each one to preview it. As you can see, the results look clean, smooth, and extremely satisfying. Now, all you have to do is download each clip by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Download. You should end up with about 6 video clips in total. Download all of them to your computer. And once you've done that, you officially have all the footage you need for your AI construction video. Now, for the editing part, I'm going to be using CapCut. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download CapCut on your computer. It's completely free, super beginner-friendly, and honestly one of the easiest editing softwares to use. Once you've downloaded it, open CapCut on your computer. Over here, click on Import, and import all the video clips you downloaded from Higgsfield. As you can see, I have 6 video clips in total, just like we generated earlier. Now all you have to do is drag each video onto the timeline, one by one. Make sure they're placed in the correct order so the construction progresses smoothly from start to finish. Once all the clips are on the timeline, select all of them. Right-click and choose Extract Audio. Now let's add some smooth transitions. Go to the top where it says Transitions. Then click on Overlay and choose the transition called Mix. Drag it in between the first 2 clips. After that, adjust the transition duration over here. I usually keep it short so it looks clean and smooth. Once you're happy with the duration, click Apply to All, and CapCut will automatically add that same transition between every clip. This makes the entire video feel more seamless and professional. Now, let's improve the colors. Go to Filters. As you can see, there are many filters available, but for this video, I'm going to use the Clear second filter. Simply drag and drop it onto the timeline, then stretch it so it covers the entire video from beginning to end. This gives the video a cleaner and more polished look, and that's it. Now, it's time to export. Go to Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution. I recommend at least 1080p, but you can go higher if you want. Then click Export again and wait for the video to render. And just like that, you've created a full AI construction time-lapse video in minutes using Higgsfield and CapCut. All the links to the tools are in the description below. If you made it this far, you clearly found value in this video. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.